60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We can count by 10 up to 100. We can count by 10. Ready, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Hannah, go dance over there.
January, February, March and April, May and June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. 12, 12, 12, 12 months. 12 months come in every year. 12, 12, 12, 12 months. 12 months come in every year.
Hannah, can you throw a kiss?
January,
You ice skate?
February, March and April, May and June, July and August.
Very nice. Wait, you gotta go back there. I cannot see you. You're too close. Go back there.
December. These are the months of the year. 12, 12, 12, 12 months, 12 months.
Show me who you have. Can you introduce all of your friends? That's Barney, baby cat. Where's Minnie? There's baby dog. Hannah, can you throw a kiss to Auntie Heather and Uncle Todd? Bye, say bye. And we added some. We added Lola Bunny. We added Tara. We added Baby Doll. This is generation 2, the ones the Johnsons gave to us. Mickey Mouse. We have Mulan. And we have Shang. I think these are all your babies in the whole wide world, Hannah. Are you happy? Okay, now you can say bye to Auntie Heather and Uncle Todd.
Bye.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Say I love you all.
I love you.
Say a kiss. Hey, what's up with this? Hannah cutting. Okay, Hannah, put the bagel in the toaster, okay? She's making her own breakfast. Uh-oh, I cannot tell if this is... Yeah. And push the thing down. Good, she's making her own breakfast. Hot, it's hot. Hannah, say hi, Daddy. Hi, Auntie Heather. Hi, Uncle
Hi,
Todd.
Auntie Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Auntie Heather.
You need their kisses? I love you.
I love you.
I'm gonna fix this thing now. No. In my eyes? Or is this for sure? Oh, Hannah. Wave to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy, we fixed the camera. Thank you. Camera. Thank you.
Hold on.
Are you going to push from Hannah?
Help push Hannah? Atta girl.
Carolyn? Hi. No, I'm filming you.
You tell me when, pal.
Oh, no.
Good job. Okay, wait.
Get her out of the way. Wait a second.
Okay.
Carolyn, just grab her and get her out of there.
Hannah, just wait, okay, hon?
Okay, you ready?
Hannah, wow. She's fast.
Hannah, where are we? Where are we?
We're at a little marketplace taking a free shuttle. 2 minutes.
Hannah, where are we? Yeah.
I like
Speed bump.